6:22 on opening day here in Florida, and we've already got one longbeard on the ground, and we probably could have already had her tagged out, but I know that for a fact. But just we had a couple, just weren't getting clear enough shot, even though they were only 15-20 yards from us. They just wouldn't separate. Two big longbeards came in just a little while ago, but we even had birds all day long. We've just had bird after bird after bird after bird. And it's hot. It's very hot.
It's 95 degrees in the sun about.
Yeah. And we're in a pop-up blind in the sun. It is like brutal. Of course, you can tell we're not decked out in turkey camo right now. We're in survival camo. We got a bunch of hens right out here right now, but there was just two longbeards worked their way in here to us. We've seen quite a few more just slipping back in here this afternoon, so hopefully other ones will show up. And if not, we'll be back in the morning for day 2.
Right on.
See? What do you say, hot dog? Did you get a good enough nap today?
I did. Good 2 hours.
Plus sleeping in the blind?
Yeah. I got a little sleep in the blind,
yeah,
too.
A little snooze. Alright, we'll be back. See you.
There's several coming with him.
Yeah,
there's a whole bunch of them in there.
There's still a whole bunch coming.
That's a big hen right there.
Yeah.
She's coming over to check him out.
There's a bald eagle just shot a turkey, and look over there, and there's more turkeys over there. You can see them right there and there. And then we see them going over towards something else. It's like, what are they going over towards? And it's that white thing. Where's it at again? Right there. There's a bald eagle, and there's a turkey right by it.
Sitting down in the grass.
That's a bald eagle with a turkey right beside it. It's sitting in the grass. Well, let's go. You on?
Yep.
Alright, we're going do one on the last one, I don't think. See, he got me coming back in, I think. Let's go. Bald eagle.
Looks like he's as big as the last one you shot. First one. No?
He's not, but
No?
he's definitely got some hooks on him.
Yeah.
Got hooks.
Look at that.
He's light.
Is he? He's a lot lighter than...
Oh yeah.
Yeah, a lot lighter than that one this morning. Still a nice bird though.
Yep.
Nice bird.
All right. Keep me walking. Hot dogger.
Okay.
What are you doing, trying to look for the eagle?
There's more turkeys over there. I was zooming in. I was trying to see if I could find that eagle, but